This step-by-step washer repair guide shows how to replace the drain pump in a top-load washer. If your washer doesn't drain, first check for a clogged washer drain or a kink in the drain hose. Don't skip these basic troubleshooting steps. If the drain and drain hose are clear, replace the drain pump with a manufacturer-approved replacement part if the pump runs but doesn't pump out the water, or if it doesn't run at all due to a defective motor. Before you begin, wear work gloves to protect your hands. Have someone help you move the washer away from the wall. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Turn off the water supply valves for the washer. Pull the drain hose out of the standpipe behind the washer. Move the washer away from the wall so you can reach the fill hoses and drain hose. Mark which fill hose goes to the hot connector and which goes to the cold. Using channel lock pliers, carefully loosen and remove both fill hoses. Expect some water to pour out. Tip: wipe up water spills with a towel to prevent slipping. Carefully tilt the washer forward and lay it on the front panel so that you can access the components from the bottom of the washer. Use pliers to release the spring clamp on the drain hose. Pull the drain hose off of the drain pump. Open the cover that protects the wire harness plug on the drain pump. Pull the wire harness plug out of the receptacle on the drain pump. Remove the 3 bolts that secure the drain pump to the bottom of the washer tub. Pull the pump off and set it aside for disposal. Position the new drain pump on the bottom of the washer and secure it using the 3 bolts. Plug the wire harness into the receptacle on the new pump. Close the cover on the wire harness connection. Push the drain hose back onto the outlet of the drain pump. Secure it with the spring clamp. Carefully set the washer in an upright position and move it close enough to the fill hoses so that you can reconnect them. Thread the fill hoses onto the connectors on the back of the washer. Tighten the connections firmly using a pair of channel lock pliers. Put the drain hose back in place and turn on the water supply valves. Tighten the connection if you find a slight leak. Plug the washer into the electrical outlet. Return the washer to its original location.